आप सोच रहे होंगे कि ये एक अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो है। नहीं, ये ऑलरेडी नीचे से खुला है। Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It's been a long time since we talked. I talked to you. Though you guys loved and supported us so much, we are thankful to have friends and audience like you. When we started our channel, we had no idea where this path may lead to. But you guys continuously pushed us forward. Some gave us fresh ideas to make videos and some even gave us their devices for testing and unboxing. This is one such video where we are re-unboxing the all-new Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. So this video is technically sponsored by this guy. As this isn't our watch, we cannot make a long-term review, but instead, we will just stick to an unboxing and few battery and performance tests. In case you wish to know more about its day-to-day performance, you can reach him on Instagram. Without any further ado, let's get started. This is a 41mm stainless steel watch. We have mostly seen the 40, 42, 44mm in the smartwatch categories. But Samsung has gone with the 41mm for this one and 45mm for its big brother. It does have a 4G and Bluetooth variants, and this is the Bluetooth one. Talking about the look and feel, the build quality is absolutely top-notch with a classy look. Both the watch and the strap are of high quality, and the mechanical rotating bezel is a worth mention here. The satisfaction while rotating the bezel is of another level. It makes the whole smartwatch navigation experience a joy. It has a 1.2-inch Super AMOLED display that's crisp and bright. The watch is powered by Exynos 911 with dual-core CPU clocked at 1.5 GHz with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of ROM. You can get anywhere around 4 GB after the first boot. The watch runs on Tizen OS and is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Talking about the sensors, it's equipped with Bluetooth 5, built-in GPS, NFC, Wi-Fi, accelerometer, barometer, gyroscope, light sensor and optical heart rate sensor. It has all the fitness and health tracking features like monitoring heart rate, stress levels, sleep tracking, fall detection, step count, etc. that you expect from a smartwatch. It can even monitor the blood oxygen levels with the red light and infrared sensor underneath it. It can also monitor blood pressure and take an ECG by placing your finger on the top right button. But these features are not yet available in India as Samsung is yet to obtain the necessary regulatory approvals.
Nothing sadder than locking a beast in a cage.
It has a IP68 water and dust resistance and boasts of military-grade durability. This is a UAE edition and has access to Samsung Pay. But generally, you don't get it in Indian editions. However, you can do some jugaad and enable it by flashing other country firmware that support these features. But you may lose the Samsung Knox protection. Do let us know in the comment section if you want us to make a special video on that. Well, there is one final question to answer. What about battery? This 41mm watch comes with a 247 mAh battery, while its big brother, the 45mm watch, comes with a 340 mAh battery. In our testing, this lasted around a day on moderate usage. So if you prefer 30% more juice, 45mm is the one to go. And to add here, it does support wireless charging and can also be powered up wirelessly with your phone just by placing the watch on the back if your phone supports reverse charging. Here is a quick comparison between the 41mm and 45mm variants. As far as the pricing goes, these are the current deals going on, so you know where to get it. For the awesome features and battery test videos, hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. They are on the way. That's it for today guys, see you in the next one.